Welcome to the Mix Lovelies and friends. And on the mix today, we have Marcia. Now, Marcia is giving a stern warning. She's saying that she is not looking for anyone to donate to her. What she says that she wants is that for people who are reaching out to her to genuinely reach out to her to purchase stuff from her cheap and clean store. She said that way they'll be donating, but they will still be getting a product. So it's a service. Basically, you will be getting the service, the products, and she will be getting the money for that because she doesn't want to be, you know, given an handout then basically. So guys, go ahead and catch the video and remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Subscribe. Okay? So that can give you more of these videos on a daily. And have yourselves a beautiful day.
In the Bible, David pay a fool, a madman, to disguise himself from getting killed. But the people have not tried to kill him. Do not judge the book by a cover. He said today for me and tomorrow for you. So do not judge the book by its cover. Yes, my dear. So nobody follow up my life. My life is what it's made to be. You understand? Don't follow me. Marcia, I hope you're enjoying the new year. Well, so far, it is very good. I'm not over by Woodland Village. I'm in a nice apartment with very beautiful. With a good, nice roof on my head. It couldn't have been better than that. Then I way could have been better than that. I may have food to eat and clothes on my back. I may have money in my pocket, same way. Then I want more I could have need. It just begin. Let's sit down and relax and see what it have. If I even $1, I can find it. So me having necessary things. I've got a roof up above me and a good place to sleep. Food on my table and shoes on my feet. Yes, my dear. I may have a lot of love, more than what a lot of people have. Can't remember, I'm a movie star, so I have a lot of people who likes me compared to the people who don't have nobody to reach out to, and I have so much support. So me can't complain and ask no better. Look how much support me have. Do you know what support me have? Do you know the amount of support? Look in life situations. Do you know the amount of people that I communicate with at a daily basis behind closed door and on social media? Eh? Do you know how many people watch my page and view my page according to the viewing rate? Me just start really go more go over Marcia official page, Marcia Evelyn's official page. You know how much viewing gone already, watching from about a week now or so? 200 to be 1 million views in a viewing my videos where them sit on the hours them over 1 million. So there's a lot of people out there, nobody. If me go behind social media right now, the amount of people them will reach out to me, the amount of people them who offer me things, but me not take it. Me don't know what them offer me, so who not offer me things for me never know some me a big thing. I want to stop it. All me need enough to do is to buy cheap and clean. But me don't know what I hear on social media. Me no want no offering from nobody more than you can buy my cheap and clean product. So now go on the blogging page and make it come like say me suffering, not a me promise me not post no bad word. Nobody not do it. You say if you don't buy cheap and clean, don't call me off for me nothing, except if I come out here and tell me, say, help me with something. Don't do it. Because when I do it, me going to cuss and go and bad. Don't do it. It's an insult to me. And if you don't want me to root to, no, don't go upon the pages them and call me and offer me money. Whether I want to mean it or mean it not. If you're not calling me to buy cheap and clean product, don't call me and offer me the money, because I'm not going to take it. Like that. I'm not going to take it. It's only certain people we take something from. And people who me know in a one way, I'm a hand to them or whatever. I'm not going to. So no reach out to me behind close and go and like say I'm suffering. I ain't suffering if I'm suffering money in a hotel. Yeah. I'm in the welfare. I'm in the vulture check. I pay on the backyard. You understand? All I want you guys to do is invest in my business. Don't take no liberty with me like that. Come in, I go take it. You understand? And then and then come out of social media and drag me down. If you want to be there for me financially, I have beautiful curtains, sheets, quilt, bed in a bag, all kind of something for household. Pretty things. I have been on my own from me young, and I survive. I in 2024. You know want to take liberty with me. Look at me. Eh? It's too cold. Huh? In 2024. I tell you, I say 2024. I tell you already a long time. I say. I say when I left Woodland Village, I say I not settle for nothing unless a upscale place. I don't want it. I don't want it in a certain neighborhood. If I not get in a mixed race neighborhood, I don't want it. You understand? So if you're not going to support me, please support my business. I hit my wanting of a flood. My business. Don't call me. Don't call me. And if you have sympathy and half of my things. Don't do it. Come and shop. Give it, support my business. I'm a business. I have merchandise. Tons of it. And that me want if you do. Me want never come and support me that me have box shipping out every day. Me is a business person. Regardless if me cuss up or cuss not, I am an entrepreneur. Me have my own business. I am not a charity case. You don't need to pick up collection for me. Or talk about nothing. I have my business. I'm enough to survive. I have 30 years of nursing experience in the home care field, hospital and nursing home. I'm an American citizen. Me not that bad. Me no look for me. Me might have going through like a bullying and discrimination, but all I want you guys to do is to support me, because I don't want to go back to the nursing field because I have a back problem. You understand? That's all I want to do. Support my business and treat me nice. Once I support my business, I can live. Just like every black person who out there trying to have an American dream. If a house sound a dream, house is not my dream. My dream is to live long. And hopefully, me reach at the pearly gate. Sometime your mouth turn off, people. Well, if my mouth turn off, people speak for yourself. Well, if my mouth turn you off, don't come back up here. So what is the significance of that? If my mouth turn off, people? Me I beg people not to turn off? Am I coming out here begging for food? For them? Or clothes to wear? Me have a business. If you don't want to shop with me, go along to Macy's and Bloomingdale. In a business, if you want to turn off, turn the hell off. That has nothing to do with me. Speak for yourself. You can't go for God, but speak for Jesus Christ. When Jesus Christ called us, every knee shall bow, every tongue confess. You see, the problem with this, not to call people too much. Speak for your damn self. Speak for yourself. Don't speak for other, because when you turn off, other people don't turn off. Them love it. So when that is the problem with you know. And I want to put it down for 2024. Stop coming up on social media and taking up for people because you don't know what's going on with them behind closed door. Them can come on social media and show niceness, and behind closed door, them a big hobby worker. Gunman and gunwoman. Prostitute and thief and all kind of same thing. Stop taking up for people. You not learn. Speak for your damn self. Say me I turn you off. And if me I turn you off, come off my page. Me must learn to take criticism. Me is not your child. Me is not your child. Me don't take criticism long time enough. With the bullying now me I take. Me is not your child. No, me is not your child. Go talk to somebody else. A matter of fact, me going over Marcia official. Well, me ban you from my live stream right now. I am going over to Marcia Everbless. Come over there, come join me. Everybody now come over here, come tell me nothing. Me on the pitney. On the two ram, the amount of all that. On the can't even talk to the pitney, but no one can talk about pitney. Where that go? The wig workout and don't go. That's why me can't stay in a place like this because I wear me look all week them. Yes, me dear. And the girl them will have on them new wig. The girl will have on them new wig every day and I buy a new wig. They can't do it. Me leave out a one apartment where me not like. And from me leave out the apartment the 4th of December, me check into a nice establishment. And you know why me can't do that? Because I wear the whole week them and the cheap clothes them. I mean I buy no cocky partner. You understand? So me spend it on me. That's why me is an independent black girl who can talk big, bad and bold. So you try your best and leave me with me whole week them. I am not going anywhere. Later on me go buy mousse and mousse it up. That's all. Let me just ban you. Anybody else? Let me see how it is. Oh, that is money. Let me just ban them. Anyway, people, please to join my next page. Marcia Everbless Official. And Marcia Everbless Official is spelled one word. So you're going to go Marcia Everbless Official. One word, except the official is different. But Marcia, I think I saw it. How it goes? Somebody paste the somebody go paste it on there yourself for me there. Cause me not turn long fire. Me want to go over the page where me can bury seal and cement up. Me want to go over the page where me can seal. Somebody copy the page for me, please. Somebody, one of my supporters, go over Marcia Everbless official page. You know, if you copy the link and put it on there, so my penny. Because them need to know that page. Because a lot of people don't know that page, and them I call me and say, Marcia, I don't see you. I don't see you. And it's because I'm over the other page. Listen to me. Them I worry about whole wig. Somebody can go buy a wig anytime. Remember, I know. I eat this. Alright, let me penny. I can't penny. Everybody who not follow the page where Felicia do, Felicia, click on it for me and follow the page. Like the page for me, please. Everybody You see that link here? Right there, so? Please follow it. Make it and pin it. And now make me pin it. Follow the page for me. And then me there. Let me go. Wig. Remember saying no, me not buy dear wig, you know. So I can walk in the store right now and pick up one $40 wig and $50 wig. And it look nice. Then I can walk in the store. All me have to do with this a wig, you know. This nothing wrong with my wig, you know. It just needs some me forget me something there. Me forget me mousse. Later on, me go get me mousse. Down me and my bag. See that? Keep putting it for me, please. Yes, follow the link there for me, please. I need 300 follower. Please, everybody who is on this page, and you see that link right there, so click on that link, because that is where I am. And give me a following on it, please. And all the bloggers, them wipe your lips. They don't worry about lips, man. Them are sexy lips, they always a wipe. I don't want to wipe them too much, you know, because I want the man them come kiss it off. I tell you. Yes, so all the people them with a link there. Please share the link. Please continue to share the link for me, please. Please follow that link and give me a little likes on a page there. Yes, please. I want to give Marcia a happy New Year's present. All 300 I know, all 200. Go over there, so go click the link for me and give me a little boost and follow the page. So later on, me go put some mousse on it or some oil sheen, and you will see if you hold or no hold not. This a piece of wig is going to last me for the whole year. So you can stay there. When me dress up in this backside here and put on my lipstick and makeup, you see if I hold or no hold not.